Hey, how are you guys doing today? I'm doing well. Very excited about this. Yeah, I look the same. I'm still wearing my same outfit as in the past couple videos because I'm filming them all on the same day. But I've had this sitting in my room for a little bit and I'm unboxing it today finally. It is a pair of Demonias. Look at how big she is. So let me go ahead and get these out of here. I'm going to put on screen the ones that I ordered. I think they were called Swing something. I couldn't get the box. I ordered them, I think it was called Swing-815 or some kind of number, and then WC for like wide calf, because I'm a plus size girly and I've got wide calves and boots like never fit. So after extensively reading reviews for like almost a month before I actually placed the order, I ordered them. Oh my god, I smell them. I'm trying to get them out of here. Okay, it's a little wrinkly and stuff, but there's the side detail. What are those, zippers? Can't really see. I'm like far back here. I'm like sitting far back so that you guys can see because these shoes are big. Alright, let's Alright, so here's one. And I'm gonna put that right there, and I'm gonna, oh, they're separated with cardboard. I'm gonna get the other one out so I can put the box down. I'm gonna cry. Okay, they were in plastic. The paper is so cute. It says Demonia all over it, and then look at them. Oh my god. Look at how tall they are. I think they're like 5.5 inches. They are very, very well made. I love all the buckles on them. I'm about to put these on and feel like Gwen from Total Drama. Oh, okay, cool. So when I thought that you were gonna have to like unbuckle and buckle these every time, but there's a zipper down the back. I do believe that you can tighten and untighten all the buckles though. Get the other one out. It's also in paper. Guys, I was listening to Shoes by Kelly when I was coming home the other day, and I was thinking about when I'm like finally gonna get to unbox these shoes. When I was reading the reviews, I saw some other wide calf queens in the comments, and they were talking about how the diameter of their calves are. I think one of them said that they would fit up to like 21-inch calves, and I'm so extra. I ordered a measuring thingy to like measure my calves before I ordered them because these are worth a lot of money. Well, for someone who lives in like a small town. Like, I am going to film the rest of this video in the living room with my, I'm going to take my measuring thingy in there and I'm going to tell you guys, I'm pretty sure when I measured it was like 19 inches, and I'm going to try these on and I'm going to show them to you guys while they're on in my living room. So the lighting's not going to be that great, but I'm sorry about that. But yeah. I cannot wait, I'm so excited. So first things first, we are going to measure my calves. Alright, they are at 19. Take these out of here, and I have not done any adjustments to the boots. These are just how they are from the factory. I'm going to try them on right now, and then if I need to like loosen them, I will, but I'm just going to try them on real quick. Alright, so I just went ahead and put them all in the loosest one. I also forgot to mention I wear a size 10 in shoes. So that's what these are. And before I do this one, I'm going to try this one real quick. Alright guys, I think it's worth noting that I did just get the outline of that Skyrim tattoo a day or two prior to filming this. So I had a little bit of trouble with this leg, and I think that's just because my leg was like tender and swollen. And I had to like stand up so that I could reach the back of the zipper. But with my other leg, I had no difficulties whatsoever. And I was just kind of like checking the buckles, make sure everything fit well. This is the only footage that I have of them both on, because I have since gotten that Skyrim tattoo completely finished, so I can't try them on yet till it's healed, but yeah, there they are on both legs. They are super comfy, and I cannot wait to wear them out. I am obsessed. Confidence boost, 10 out of 10. Alright, so what did you guys think of the Demonias? Do you have a pair? Is there another pair that I should get? Because I really do be loving shoes. I was looking at their website and I saw like some like sandal ones that were cute, and I was like, I'm gonna have to get some shoes for summertime. I don't know. I'm always in like Vans, or I just got a pair of Hey Dudes, but anyway, I'm like more of a comfort girly. These are gonna be for a special occasion because they are so freaking cool. But anyway, let me know what you guys thought of the video down below. Like the video if you liked it, and subscribe to the channel for more content from me, your girl. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye!